Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on ATM. In today's video, we will take a look at this big falling wedge pattern, and on the daily time frame chart, ATM is about to break this symmetrical triangle as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I am sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my recent trade signal of ATM. That was, by the way, in the month of September 2022 on 6th of September, and that was a harmonic bullish reverse regardless setup. And before that, I also shared another harmonic bullish reverse regardless setup that was, by the way, in the month of July 2022. And you can see this was our buying zone from $3.45 and goes to $2.92, and our sell target zone was from $4.19 and goes to $4.98. And after playing this chart, we can see that we had a very powerful pump, and the price line even rallied up to $5.30. That was, by the way, more than 50% pump on the 4-hour time frame chart. And this is the most recent one that I shared in the month of September, on 6th of September. And if I play this chart, then this time the price line moved slightly beyond, down than this potential reversal zone, broke down this potential reversal zone. But after a few candlesticks, after some accumulation, recovered soon, and after hitting the sell target zone again, moved down. Now let's move to this weekly time frame chart first. And here we can see that ATM is moving inside a very long-term falling wedge pattern. We got rejected here, we got rejected here, another rejection here, and two more rejections here as well. This was, by the way, the last rejection we had in the month of September 2022, and we have several touch points at the support as well. And by the way, here we had a fake out, but the price line re-entered the same wedge that was just broken down. And by the way, this time just slightly above this resistance of this falling wedge pattern, we also have a very strong and key resistance at $4.10. Previously, this level was working as a support here, as a support here, and as a resistance here, support here, and recently we got rejection by this resistance here in the month of October, on 31st of October 2022. Therefore, there is a probability that after breaking out this resistance of the wedge, the price line will still face this hurdle or this resistance very strong. Now, if we take a look at this daily time frame chart, then you can see we have the formation of a symmetrical triangle here, and we are reached at the very end of this triangle. Therefore, soon it can break out or break down. And if we switch to the hourly time frame chart, by the way, right now we are on the daily time frame chart, and on the hourly time frame chart we have a bit critical situation, because you can see that the price line is forming higher high. And if we take a look at the oscillators, then oscillators are not able to form higher high. They're forming, this is the stochastic and this is the RSI oscillator. RSI and stochastic both are forming lower highs. And yes, it is possible that if stochastic and RSI will move up and form a higher high, then this bearish divergence that I'm talking about will be removed from the chart. However, so far we don't have a good situation on the smaller time frame. We have this bearish divergence that is signaling that the price line can break down this triangle. And for example, if the price line break down this triangle, then our target to the downside can be, let me just show you the target for this breakdown, and also for the breakout as well. In case of breakdown, we can expect a move down here that will be approximately at 75 cents, by the way, quite down from here. And in case of breaking out, the move to the upside can be at $4.79 to 80 cents, and in that situation we can also break out this bigger resistance of the wedge and this key resistance of $4.10 as well. And once the price line will be able to break out this bigger falling wedge pattern, then our target to the upside will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $33 to $35. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.